Hey guys, Joe from Vinyl Fox USA. We got an exciting new vinyl inlay kit for the Ford Ranger tailgate. Comes with everything you need in the kit: a cleaning cloth, application fluid, application tool, a couple stickers, and of course the vinyl. We have various options available on the website, from camo patterns to stars and stripe patriotic patterns and solid colors. We even have a few trim level options for this Ranger. Jump on over to the website, pick up a kit today at Vinyl Fox USA. We're going to get into the install portion of this. Super simple. We're going to walk you through every step. Let's get started. All right, guys, right out of the box, you're going to have your application fluid, the rag. We're going to take this, spray the surface of the R, the first R, and wipe it down. You want to get into all the little grooves. And then while we have it in our hand, we're going to spray our application tool as well and wipe it off with the rag. That just releases any contaminants or dust that was on it, and set it down. We're going to grab our vinyl kit and peel off our R, and you're going to generously spray the surface. Give this a quick mist on the back side of the vinyl. Kind of get it where it needs to be. You have a little time to slip it around, and then you're going to take your rag, and we're not pressing very hard. We're just going to like blot it just to get some of the surface moisture off. This will set up in just a few seconds, and then we're going to hold and kind of just pull down, putting slightly more pressure just to start to lock that down. And once you have one side, you can kind of work your way over to the other. Again, I'm not using a ton of pressure. When you do, this happens, no problem. Put it back into place. This is an air release vinyl. So we got it in place. Give it a little firm pressure, and we're just going to kind of let that set, and we'll come back to it. We're going to move on to the A. We're going to spray the surface, wipe it down real quick, peel it off with our hand, laying it on. All right, we got it into place. We're just gently pressing it out. Take our rag, again, gently just blotting. I'm not putting much pressure here. And then I'm going to kind of hold and glide across the surface, applying more and more pressure. And that's it. It's in place. Onto the end, just spray the surface again, wipe it down. This is a lot of rinse and repeat process for each letter. Clean the surface, peel the vinyl, apply it wet, get into position, and lock it down. That's all we're doing. Hit our surface, get it into position. For this, I'm going to kind of do one side first just to get it started. There we go. You can see how I can shift it around. It's about right there. Pull this down a little. There we go. All right, just blot the surface like this, and then just hold down here, and then just gently pull over the surface till you lock it down. That's it. All right, guys, we're on to the next one here. We'll do the G. Spray the surface, wipe it down. Spray our surface. Sorry. This wet method definitely gives you the time and the ability to slip this into place without overstressing the vinyl. Just kind of get it in like that. A little grippy right here. There we go. Yep, just like that. Gently blot it. And we're just going to let it dry for a few minutes and come back to it. All right, onto the E. Spray the surface, wipe her down. Keep in mind that this kit can be installed dry if you desire. The wet method is our preferred method to make sure you get these lines lined up. It's just a lot easier with the wet method because you get the time to slip it around until it's in the right position. Dry, you get like one chance to kind of put it down the right way, and then you got to lift it back, and it can be a little tedious that way. So we're just going to give this a quick mist. Just kind of run these down the side there. And we're going to line up this big section first, and the thin line should fall right into place. Get to go like that. that, and that. That's it. Again, just gently blot it. You're not trying to shift it or lock it down right now. You're just getting the excess moisture around the outside. And then we can hold and pull down, hold and pull out like this. And that's it. On to the R. All right, last letter. It's clean. Grab our vinyl. We've already done one of these, so we have some practice. With mist, mist, and let's get her on. All right, we're just blotting here. It wants to shift a little bit, no problem. Hold and pull. Hold and pull. That's it, guys. It's that simple. Just like that, our last letter's done. We're going to start back at the beginning real quick, and we're just going to go over the surface with a little more pressure now that it should be tacked up. Same thing on each one. Just like this. You should have 0 bubbles, 0 wrinkles, 0 creases. Everything should lay down really, really nice, really easy. We're going to give this one just a minute to dry before we come back over it. That's it. Just like that, this kit is installed. We're always releasing new designs. If you have a design or a suggestion for a design, drop a comment below. And until next time, keep it stupid simple.